Everyone, I want to show you something that I built yesterday. Built this little day pen because the hawk. This is like 3/8 mesh wire. The hawk can't get his foot through there. Let me fix this camera for a second. There we go. While I was building it, I realized I had no hinges for the door. So what I did, I drilled a hole through here, pounded a nail down into this. I also did it over here, so that it would pivot on this 2x2. To open the door, I just have to do that, and the door will work. The door, quick and easy. Close the door, put it back, put the nail back, my stop. I hope you kind of like this short little video. Just wanted to show it to you, something to keep the hawks out. You know, I don't bother trapping them or shooting them or doing anything silly with a hawk. So, simple little cage. You can't get his foot in there, and the birds are a lot safer. Also, I made the door big enough that I could lift and put the water can in. Saves me a lot of trouble from trying to lift the cage, put the water can up, and with a hard job. Now it's very simple. Okay, thank you for watching. By the way, I had to edit the last video. Looked like I was talking from my belly. But what I want to say is, if you want more videos of the eyes of my pigeons, I have young ones from 656, 99, the combine winner, and some other birds. If you would like to see their eyes, let me know, and I'll make videos of their eyes so that you could see them. I guess that's what I want to say. I can't think of anything else. But I'll add this on. I'm going to edit the previous video and do this section here. I don't think you really want to talk to my zipper or my belly. Okay. I think it's funny, but my wife don't. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, and please subscribe.